Hey bro, do you also feel like it's mission impossible every time you try a pull-up? The moment you grab the bar, you flip into hero mode. But in reality, it's full swing, half reps, and zero gains. Today I'm breaking down 4 big mistakes and their real fixes. Full Captain Core style. Mistake 1. Kicking legs like crazy. Bro, this isn't a pull-up, it looks like dance practice. Your whole body turns into a pendulum. Fix. Cross or lock your legs. Keep your core tight and turn your body into a rock-solid line. When your body is stable, that's when your lats really start to fire. Mistake 2. Half reps. Your chin stays under the bar and you still call that 1 rep? Bro, is this lift stuck in waiting mode or what? Fix. Start from a dead hang and pull all the way up until your chin is over the bar. That's when the rep counts. Fewer reps are fine, as long as every rep has quality. That's what builds real hero gains. Mistake 3. Shoulders up to the ears. You've squeezed your shoulders up like you're in a stress class. That way your back never even turns on. Fix. Bring your chest forward. Pull your shoulders down and back, and try to bring the bar toward your chest. This setup ignites your entire back. Mistake 4. Ego reps. You claim 10 reps, but only 3 are actually clean. The rest are just you spinning in the air. This isn't a gym session, it's a circus. Fix. Take slow and steady reps. Go up under control. Come down under control. Perfect form and full range of motion. That's where real strength comes from. Bonus. Fix. Weak grip. You don't keep a tight grip and then complain your lats aren't working. If your grip is weak, how will your back ever activate? After every set, hang from the bar and train your grip. A simple dead hang is a miracle builder. Bro, remember these 4 mistakes and 5 fixes. Pull-ups aren't a speed test. They're a discipline drill. Practice daily. Lock in your form, and one day you'll say, "Now I'm not just hanging here. I'm about to break this bar, boss." Smash the like button, share this with a friend, and drop the caption. Captain Core fixes everything, except your excuses.